I am super excited because as you can see, my girl Dulce Candy is here. It's my first collab ever. I've been obsessed with her, as I'm sure all of you have been. We both love makeup. It's our thing. Hers is a lot fancier than mine.
No, yours is like the OGs. You have the OGs.
But I'm over here like,
what is this?
This is a unicorn brush. It's phenomenal. So we're obsessing over each other's makeup. And we probably always said that we could do it in the dark if we had to.
I think so.
But we're about to find out. We're actually doing the mirror-free makeup challenge. Are you ready for this?
Yes. I'm nervous.
I am too.
My eyebrows.
I don't know how this is going to turn out.
These.
We're allowed to look at each other though and be like,
all right, so the
blend,
brows?
girl, blend.
Yeah. Okay, all right.
We'll see how this goes. I'm excited. Are you?
Me too, yes.
Mirror-free makeup challenge. Let's do this. Now, before we start, this is super ironic that we're doing a mirror-free makeup challenge on a mirrored table. Okay, it was the only one I have in my house. Everything's mirrored in here, you know
that's
that.
True. But we're not gonna cheat.
We're not cheating. No. Look, we blocked out our mirrors even on our palettes.
Yes.
Look at hers, that one big.
I know, this
blocked
big
out.
monster.
It's so sad to see it with no mirror.
It's not as pretty.
I have been obsessed with your channel. And like, I'm just looking at your stuff and I'm like, you guys, she's really like this in real life. You have to see her makeup bags.
Oh, yay.
Okay, I want them.
I'm gonna hook you up.
Yes, they're beautiful. She actually designed this, you guys. They're the Dulce Candy makeup bags.
Yes, and we have many different styles and things like that.
This is so cool. So, guys, not only do I love her on YouTube, I love her in real life, and
I was like, you don't have to say anything about them. She's like, no, I'm gonna put it so
no,
people can go buy it.
Go get it. Go get it. No, because I actually think they're so pretty.
Thank you.
And you really do make me want to upgrade my whole situation.
Oh, we're
so
gonna
I can keep
work
the
on
basics,
that.
but I'm gonna get fancy brushes, people.
Yes.
Get ready.
Something fun.
Okay, so we're gonna get started. What look are we going for today?
I'm gonna go for something glowy, dewy, bronzy.
Summertime fun.
Yes,
I'm doing the same. All right, so we're about to get started. What is the first item that we're gonna use? What are we starting with?
I think foundation.
All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3,
okay.
go! Ah! Why do I feel like it's timed and it's not timed? See, you're gonna see how I do my makeup. You're gonna be like, this is so weird. So I'm using Urban Decay's Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm actually putting it on this brush, which you knew the name of, but it was the MAC version, right?
Yeah, MAC 187.
Boom.
It's a stippling brush. That's like my first MAC brush ever.
Really?
Like that shape, yeah.
So I have the MAC one, but this is also one that's just like it. It's the MUA Professional.
Yeah. What shade are you? Are you using a little darker?
Yeah. So I always like to make myself darker, look like I have a tan. So this is shade 7.75.
Oh, okay.
What are you using?
So I'm using Milk Makeup. They have a blur liquid foundation. It's supposed to like give you a blur effect, like
literally
blur.
looks like you've used the smoothing.
Yeah. So we'll see if it's real. I always use a beauty blender all the time. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going.
Here we go. I'll blend with this after. Oh Lord, I have no idea what it's looking like.
I know, me neither.
This is so weird. Okay, hold up. Mamita, I'm gonna be here for an hour just doing this, making sure we're all blended in. Can't forget my neck.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh Lord.
I use it on my husband actually too.
Oh.
He has large pores, yeah. So it's
That's
good
a
for
good
men.
one.
Yeah.
I like it that like our husbands will let us do stuff to them.
I know, right?
That's amazing. It used to be weird, like I would be like, can I just try this? And he'd be like, no. Then I tried it, he's like, oh.
But how far do you go? How far do you go?
Okay, I've curled his eyelashes. He won't let me put mascara on because he rubs his eyes too much. That's going too far?
Yeah, that's too far, I think.
Yeah, I would go really far if he would let me. I'd attempt to contour if I could.
Yeah, I put a wig on my husband before too.
No way.
I did, and a red lipstick.
Moving on. Now, what are we gonna do next?
Let's move on to concealer.
Boom.
Yeah?
I have that same concealer. That's really good.
This is one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Because it's like high intensity coverage. So it just makes it bright.
Not gonna lie, I actually found out about that from you.
Shut up.
Yes.
Really? Oh my God.
Today though, I'm going back to my
Infallible. That's a good one. That's a key
tried and
equivalent.
true. It is.
Yeah, it is.
Tried and true Infallible Pro Glow, and I'm using it in the color 04 Natural Beige.
Mine is the Tarte Shape and Tape in light to medium. I always use this baby. Okay, so let's do it.
Here we go.
Are we gonna end up doing the same look and you're just doing the affordable version?
No, I have something here that's expensive. I have Anastasia.
Oh, you do. Yeah.
I have
Tarte.
KKW Beauty. I'm fancy too, girl.
You do.
Yeah, right. At first, when you used to do your makeup in front of your man, was he like, what are you doing?
No, like the contour and the highlight,
crazy
that looks crazy, yeah. I always just dab it. So I'm always blending with a beauty blender, just because concealer tends to, if you move it around like with a brush, then you don't have anything. And
Exactly.
you want coverage. You know what I
And
mean?
you don't want to waste the product. I hate the idea of applying something and then like I just wiped it completely off.
Yeah.
So is this considered highlight?
I think so.
I need to learn how to speak YouTube.
No, yeah, it is, because you're highlighting and contouring.
So this is, see?
Yeah.
I thought I was the only one that used
You're
like
like-
concealer as also my highlight.
Okay.
Like, does that make sense?
Yes, yeah, that's what I use it for.
Yeah.
How is mine?
Yours looks
Yeah,
bomb.
it does?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Okay, random question.
What?
How do you avoid not covering your beautiful beauty marks?
Makeup remover and a Q-tip.
Okay.
Stab it. Yeah.
Okay.
'Cause
But
if
like
nothing-
now with no mirror, how are you
can't
gonna know
do
where
it.
they are?
Well, I know where they are because I can feel them.
Okay.
But then I feel like if I'm gonna
Yeah,
mess it up.
because I'm looking and I'm like, wait, but
Yeah.
don't cover your.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, what's our next step?
Powder. 'Cause I
Powder.
need to set this in place. So I have a pressed powder from Hello Flawless
Ooh.
Benefit. So this is just gonna give me more color. Yeah.
Ooh, that
so-
color's good. So is that like just all over powder or?
Except under here, because I
Okay.
don't want to make it darker. But this is
Got
just
it.
gonna give me more coverage.
Got it. So this was the KKW Beauty Conceal, Bake, Brighten, and I'm just using the second step, which was bake.
Okay.
This
Or
is like a
the-
good color.
Yeah,
you see?
that's like the banana powder.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So that for me
Yeah.
is the same concept, and I mainly
Yes.
just use the
Oh,
powders.
that's awesome.
And this
I
is
need that.
in 3. So this
Shade
was
3.
for shade 3. Yeah.
Okay.
This is
I'm
where
just gonna
things are
dab
gonna
it.
get weird.
I know.
Oh Lord, help me.
Well, you have loose powder, so that's a whole different situation.
Oh Lord.
Okay, you're good.
You're looking like, where is this about to go? I can't see. I don't know where this is going.
And I keep looking,
And there's nothing there.
and there's nothing
It's
there.
literally like.
Yeah. I'm just
Very
used
sad.
to it.
Oh my God, I'm holding this up as if I can see in it.
Now I'm actually gonna take the Brighten powder,
Mm-hmm.
a brightening powder from Becca Be a Light palette.
This
is a new
palette
one.
is so gorgeous.
It's so pretty hot. Yeah, I know.
And it has everything in one, which
Yeah.
I love.
Yeah.
Trust
And
me,
this-
we were discussing this.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
gonna bite all her makeup.
gorgeous. You need this one.
Now my second powder is actually gonna be Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth powder in Coconut 355. Even though I swear I always make this face if I'm putting anything on my cheeks.
Oh yeah. That's a good guidance though.
What's your mascara face?
It's hideous, probably.
No way, why?
I don't know. I'm probably like,
Oh yeah, because you're trying to like, yeah.
you know, get those lashes.
All right, I don't know where this is going,
Okay.
but. Okay, is everything
is
blended
next?
out except for my under eyes? Kinda,
Except the
sorta?
under eyes, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, yes. Did you put blush?
No, just this. This is like a blush for me.
What?
Yes.
You look contoured.
Really?
Like, yeah, like you
See?
have. Wow, that's a
That
good
was just the
shade.
two powders, and this one, I swear it's like a bronzer for me.
Okay, so you
Yeah.
haven't contoured yet.
No.
I love it.
Well, I guess I kind of did with.
Well, yeah, but not
Yeah.
like with cream
Yeah,
or
no.
anything. Oh, that's a good one. What shade is that?
It's 355 coconut.
Ooh.
It works for everything,
That's a
multi-purpose.
good one.
Do you want to go for eyebrows?
Yeah, let's do the
Oh
eyebrows.
Lord, help us. This is what we swear is going to be the worst part.
Because
We
they
were-
can make it or break it.
Literally, we could make or break our faces with this. We could either look like we're walking around with
Yeah.
markers, the caterpillar
I know,
eyebrows.
Yeah.
What are you
Universal tip.
using?
Okay, so I brought this one just because I knew that I needed something easy to
Yeah.
blend. It's by It Cosmetics in Universal Taupe. What about
I'm
it?
using Anastasia, the brow definer. It's the triangular brow pencil, and it's in the color caramel.
Okay, all right, I like that one too. It's
It
the
has like an
angled.
angled,
Yeah,
which I think in this case without a mirror might be more
Okay.
complicated. Oh Lord.
I'm afraid.
I'm trying to see where my eyebrows start.
Yeah.
Oh God. Okay.
Wait, have you ever done this?
No.
No? How are you following the shape?
Girl, I have no idea. I'm letting the Holy Spirit guide me right
Yeah.
now. That's all I got. You guys,
Okay.
this feels crazy. I'm here inventing, creating
shape.
a brow that doesn't exist.
That's actually really good.
No way.
Just blend a little, yeah. Blend it all. Just brush?
No, lies. Boom, now you're good.
Boom? Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Both of her eyebrows are done. I've only completed one. So while I'm on the other eyebrow, don't you love, I feel like Latinas love makeup. We love glamour.
Yeah,
we love beauty. I feel like if I meet another Latina, I'm like, oh my God, that's my cousin.
I know, that's how
like,
I
feel connected.
Yeah.
A little bit
Yeah,
better?
yes.
Oh, Lord.
Yes.
Okay, guys, these are our
was
brows
good.
with no mirror. Do you use
Okay,
brow gel?
I do, yes.
Oh, we both have brow gels. Okay,
All the
which one do you use?
time. Pixie Beauty, it's clear, it's amazing.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Yours?
And I'm using this one because I feel like it actually helps blend the
Okay.
brow, so if it looks a little crazy, this will help fill in the
Yeah.
edges, and it gives it
It's
a bronzy
tinted.
look. And this one is Tinted Brow Gel in Brunette, and it is by Anastasia
Oh, that's
Beverly Hills.
pretty. I
But
like
it
that.
actually looks shimmery.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's like adding highlights to your eyebrow. You know what I'm really into right now?
What?
It's like full brows, like brushing the hair up.
Yes, where it
Like
looks,
yeah, I'm
especially
so into
your
it.
front, you have great
I'm trying to grow it
eyebrows.
out. I'm trying to grow it out more.
It
Just-
looks so good.
oh,
This is
huh.
my eyebrows
Yeah.
that's grown out
Yours
of
are
thinking
beautiful
yet.
too.
I use the brow gel so that it kind of makes it all come together and be cohesive. Do you use it so that it stays in place?
So it stays in place, and yeah, like if I use one that's tinted, just to add more dimension to my eyebrows, you know. But usually just to lock it in place.
Here we go. Next step. Where are we going with this?
I think we should do eyeshadow maybe.
Yep,
something on
eyeshadow.
the eyes.
Let's
yeah.
move to the eyeshadows. What are
Okay.
you using, girl?
I'm using this palette from Pixie Beauty called Café con Dulce.
Oh, this is yours, no?
Yeah.
I'm like, yes, I know this.
Like this one's mine.
Yeah.
But I like it because it has like, it's so easy to work with. You
Yeah,
know what I mean? So
and it's
perfect.
multi-purpose too.
Yeah.
Eyeshadows,
Blush,
highlights,
A
everything.
little bit of everything. So I'm gonna use this one on my eyes and on my face too.
Amazing. This is Tartlet Toasted by Tarte. It's like my
Beautiful.
go-to.
Where are you gonna use it in?
In what part of my eye is
Oh,
that?
the inner tear duct?
There we go,
Yeah.
inner tear duct. I'm
Inner
learning
tear
all
duct.
the
Okay.
lingo.
Yes.
I'm gonna use Sunset in my inner
Inner
tear duct.
All right.
What are you starting with?
I'm gonna go with, it's like a champagne pink.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna use it all over my eyelid. And I think, I wanna see a mirror. Oh my gosh, I feel the fallout.
The struggle is real right now.
Struggle.
Keep it natural, keep it simple. I think that's definitely the best way to go.
Mm-hmm.
If you're doing it without a mirror.
Yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Yeah? Yours looks really good
Yes,
too.
I love it.
My tear duct, who is this again? My inner tear duct?
Oh yeah, your inner tear duct. I think I'm done.
Okay, don't you agree that the most important part about makeup is that your canvas is good, like skincare,
Oh, yeah.
keeping
Oh
your
my gosh,
skin
yes.
nice?
Yeah.
Because no matter the technique, if the canvas you're working on is not smooth or has a lot of, it's harder, a
Oh my
lot
gosh,
harder.
Yeah, yeah. And usually, like when people ask me for advice with like a creasing concealer, I always go for skincare first. Like
Yep.
use the hydrating under eye serum or just
Oh,
always
smart.
the skincare. You
Yeah,
know? It's
for
like
sure.
the most important thing.
Okay, so now that we're done with our eyeshadow, what are we moving on to now?
I think you're gonna do some crazy step with the lashes, and I think I'm gonna do mascara.
Girl, I literally look like an alien without lashes.
Yeah.
Like we discussed this.
Like,
Without
yeah,
lashes
yeah.
on, sometimes I feel like my eyes are just bald.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Lord be with me.
All right. The mascara that I'm using today is by Benefit. It's called Bad Gal. I'm only gonna do it to my lower lashes because
Got
I already
it.
have lashes on. Well,
Got it.
extensions
Yeah.
today.
All right, you guys, I'm
Okay.
doing this.
So
Here it
once
goes.
you start, I'm gonna start.
I'm going in.
Let's see.
Oh my God. This could go so wrong. If there was a mirror, I would have,
Well,
you know,
of
like one
course,
of these
yeah.
kind of mirrors. Yeah, this is where things get complicated with this one over here.
Put the lash on. You got this.
Oh Lord. I love Ardell lashes. These are actually wispies.
Oh, that's
black
a good one.
wispies.
Yeah. And they have a thin band too, so they just go on easily, huh?
When you wear lashes, what are your go-to lashes?
I also love Ardell. I love House of Lashes.
Ooh.
Anything that's like with a thin band, I love. Because if not, it feels too heavy on my eye, and then it just tugs.
I really wish I could look in a mirror.
Ooh, girl,
No.
yes.
Is it on?
Yes, it is.
Guys, I did this with no mirror, but I'm like
What?
concerned.
No, it looks
From
good.
afar, it could pass,
No,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
It actually looks really good. They blend in with
Lord.
your actual lashes too.
People, that was just one. Yeah, this is where things get complicated with this one.
It works if you can pull it just a little bit.
In this way.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
know.
Yeah. Let me see. Yes.
Not too terrible.
They look so pretty.
Okay.
Yes.
Whew. Moving on. What are we doing now?
Contour and highlight?
Yes.
Okay, so contour first.
What are you gonna use?
So I'm gonna use the same Be a Light palette, and with an angled brush, just pick up this beautiful
That color
bronzy
is so
shade.
beautiful.
It's so gorgeous, and it blends really nice too. So
I'm gonna use the Anastasia Cocoa Stick Foundation. And I think the color actually is cocoa. It's
yeah.
the stick foundation in the color cocoa.
that's a good one.
Oh,
Now, do
Lord.
you contour with cream the after powder?
Normally not.
Yeah.
We're
Okay.
about to get
All right.
crazy. Normally
All right.
I'll do this before
Before?
I put my powder,
Oh,
but
okay,
this is
okay.
now, we're just going in extra.
Just go with the flow. Yeah. Just do a
God.
little more.
Are you a big contour fan?
I am. I'm obsessed with it. You know why? Because you can change your whole look. And it's just fun with makeup. And I know some people, for me, it's like fun. Like makeup is fun. And if you can do something different to your face, not to say that you're not happy with the way you look, but just to have fun and be creative.
Switch it up,
and switch it up, I am obsessed with it. And why not? Like, if you want to make something a little bit more, you know,
prominent
just, like you can do it with contour. I'm obsessed. Let me see. No, it's good.
It's not too bad?
You're good. What about mine? Can you even tell with this color or no? Do I need more?
It's like such a nice
it's
soft.
Subtle?
Yeah.
Okay. You are contoured.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yay. Don't gas me, because then I'll keep going. You get excited and you're like, okay, girl, you're going too far now. That is amazing.
Am I using too much though?
No.
Okay. All right.
I love that color. This literally has everything in it.
Yeah,
it's like a one-stop shop.
does.
That is awesome. I used, you already saw, I used the Anastasia stick. I also was using my Fit
That
Me
was a good one. I need
coconut powder. But I'm also now going to add my blush, which is going to be the e.l.f. blush palette in light.
Mine actually has a little bit of highlight in it.
So you don't even need to
don't
really add. My highlight that I'm going to use is by Hourglass, and it's in the color Incandescent Strobe Light. I always make sure that I highlight the tip of my nose, because that makes it look shorter.
Yes, that's a good one. Okay, so for that, I'm going to use one of the colors that I used in my eyelid.
Okay, cool.
From this palette. Just maybe down the middle. Oh, are we almost done?
Yeah.
Our lips are,
Go for
yeah,
lips?
Right.
That's everything.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
that
this is the last
easy.
step.
Yeah. You are glowing.
Really?
You are.
So
I
are
just
you,
saw you and
girl.
you look like a sunset. Yeah, like a sunset. Seriously.
That is the best compliment ever.
So I'm gonna do this middle color.
love that
here.
color.
Something creamy, a little bit of color.
Because it
shimmer.
doesn't clash with your shirt.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good color.
Peachy vibes.
Yeah.
I am actually going to do something similar, a little like peachy, pinky lip, definitely natural and glowy that goes with our summer look.
Okay.
So I am starting with the NYX Crayon Retractable Lip Liner, and it is in the color Natural.
Oh, just a nude.
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I always try to make my lips look bigger.
Yeah.
So I like
okay.
totally line outside of my lips.
Do you use the same color for every, except like
A
the
lot of the
pink ones,
time,
but
yeah.
like the nudes? Yeah.
It's my go-to. Okay, wait, are we done?
I think so, yes.
You literally look like sun-kissed, glowy, dewy, fresh. You don't look powdered down at
No,
all.
oh my god, good. And like I told you, you look like a sunset. Like I need to get this look.
God.
I feel like this is like your signature.
Probably.
Huh, like something bronzy.
Yeah, bronzy, golden,
Yes,
peachy.
yeah,
That's me trying to be
yeah.
a bootleg J-Lo. All right, so the moment has come.
All right, so
are we ready?
yes.
We've got our mirrors. Guys, we are about to be our worst critics ever. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
It is not at all what I thought it was gonna look like.
No?
It looks completely different than what I had. You guys, in my head right now,
Wow.
I really believe that I had on bright pink lipstick.
No.
I
I'm telling
thought-
you, it was peach.
What? Girl, why is my eyeshadow all the way up here?
Through this process.
If I could change something, these are the things I would change.
What?
This eyeshadow got all the way up here, so I would be like, let's take that down a bit.
Yeah.
So I would take that down. I would take it down on this side too. But I'm actually not mad
And
at
look
the
at your
skin.
contour. Look at your contour, how you blended that out.
I don't
and
even
you
know
got
how.
that. Yes.
Got that.
You got that contour. But I think the only thing that I would change would be my mascara. You know how it's like crumbling up down here? And-
okay.
yeah.
But that's not even bad.
But it's not,
You're like, yes.
I like it.
But I killed this. Thank you very much. When I picked up the mirror, I thought for sure I was gonna look like a
Crazy?
clown.
No, I'm telling you, I
I
love
thought you were
it.
just being nice.
No,
She was like, girl.
I was telling you the truth.
It's like two different versions of kind of a similar look.
But they're summertime looks.
Yeah. Voila. I'm impressed.
Me too.
I'm like shocked.
Yeah, I know.
We didn't
It
do
was-
too terrible.
Yeah, no.
But I want to hear what you guys think. Maybe you think we totally sucked.
Oh yeah, that's true, right?
Make sure that you comment below and let us know. And subscribe to my channel. And yo, you got to go chat over and check out all of her amazing videos. Trust me, you're going to absolutely love it. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to Dulce Candy.
Aw,
It's in the
thank you.
description. I love you guys. This was so much
Yeah.
fun. I'm going to challenge you guys to try this as well. I can't wait to see all of your videos. Again, comment below and tell us how it turned out for you. Mwah. Besitos.